Do you like making money? Do you like flexing on your ex? Well, you're in the right place. What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Soulfly Trades here, back with another video. And today I just want to talk about the single trade that I took today and the strategy that I use behind it to formulate, my plan. So pre-market, basically, um, initially at first I was looking for puts pre-market, but then I remember that I'm kind of always stuck on puts. And I wanted to switch my mindset up because I feel like I'm biased on puts sometimes. But long story short here, on the left I have the hourly time frame for SPY, and on the right I have my 5-minute SPX. So what I seen pre-market, we kind of came out of this this demand area that I have here. So that was letting me know that we might see some buyers today, and we did see some buyers in pre-market. It was a lot of green, so I just had a feeling that we might see some green today mostly. And on SPX, as you can see here, we gapped up, which is a bullish sign. Long story short, I said, okay, since we were hovering down in this area pre-market, let's go here to my 5-minute time frame. I said, okay, if we get like some kind of break above 40713 on SPY, I'll look for call options to take to 408.71. Long story short, let's go to the 1 minute here. I'll show you why I got in where I got in and the reason behind it. So I didn't exactly get in on the break, on the retest and break above this 407.13. I got in around this area slightly early simply because, as we see here, this is SPY again. This is SPY and this is SPX. Initially, I will be honest, I was looking for put options right here, but then I said, SPY might look good for puts, but SPX doesn't look good for puts because we're sitting right on top of this support. And you do not want to take puts on SPY if you're sitting right on top of support on SPX. I have my fib levels drawn in right here. And we were right around this area, which is 648. Yeah, we were right around this area, around 648 when I got in, which would be like right here. And basically, this was a break above in a retest on our 5-minute time frame on SPX. I'll show you guys what I mean by that. A classic break above and retest. We broke above this 4080, came down and retested it. And this is the area I got in right here. And I took price from right here, this retest all the way up to the highs. The contracts went from $100 to 197 to a high of $200, but I got out around $197 per contract. I got slightly, I don't want to say nervous, but I had to remind myself of my game plan in this area right here because we started to trend down, but I had my stop loss basically at the lows right here, because if it broke this line right here, then the trend will be officially changed. And we were trending above VWAP, and my indicators letting me know that we're technically still bullish intraday. So long story short, I took that play basically based off of SPX, but trading SPY. So this bounce was this area right here. And we trended up. And my price target on SPY was 408.71, but I seen price action and I wasn't liking it. So I sold my contracts in the first one I sold right here, and I sold my last 4 right here in this area right here on SPY. And as you can see here, volume kind of died off, and now we're just, slowly trending back down. So I'd say, I got in a good place and I got out at a good place. I basically went from the bottom of the retest to the top. So, I'm pretty stoked about today. Made a nice $300, $332, So I'm grateful and I'm thankful because I made that in about 17 minutes. But other than that, this is basically how I use SPX to correlate my SPY trading. And I hope this gave you a good insight to basically how I do it. Trading is very hard. It takes a lot of mental capacity and a lot of facing who you are as a person, basically, to get a grasp on your mental emotions. But other than that, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. And if the price action sets up tomorrow, I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow again for another video. But other than that, I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.